Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is part 3 of Carbohydrates Metabolism MCQs. These MCQs will be helpful for all types of exams, BS Nursing, MLT exams, MDCAT exams, and different exams of the KMU as well. In this lecture, we will discuss about the most repeated MCQs always that have been discussed in the previous एग्जाम्स। इससे पहले जो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो चुके हैं वो भी इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। ऑक्सीडेटिव डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन ऑफ पायरुवेट रिक्वायर्स NAD plus cytochromes pyridoxal phosphate are the coenzyme A. When there is not acyl coenzyme A attached, then it is called CoASH. So the best answer is the CoASH. Oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate requires coenzyme A. Glucose tolerance is increased in diabetes mellitus, adrenalectomy, acromegaly, or the thyrotoxicosis. So it is a adrenalectomy. How many ATP molecules will be required for conversion of 2 molecules of lactic acid to glucose? There are only 6 ATP molecules are required for the conversion of 2 molecules of lactic acid to glucose. Excuse number 4. Which of the following enzyme is not involved in HMP shunt? Hexose monophosphate pathway is also called the HMP, and it's also called the pentose phosphate pathway. So the enzyme not involved with HMP shunt, that is a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, is not the part of the HMP pathway. Dehydrogenase enzyme of the hexose monophosphate shunt are mainly it is a NADP specific. This glucokinase is widely distributed and occurs in most mammalian tissues as a high Km for glucose. Michaelis Menston constant for glucose, and hence is important in the phosphorylation of glucose primarily after ingestion of a carbohydrate rich meal. So the answer is answer number B. All of the following statements about the enzymatic complex that carries out the synthesis of ATP during oxidative phosphorylation are correct except it can bind molecular oxygen. It cannot bind molecular oxygen. The transport of a pair of electrons from NADH to oxygen via the electron transport chain produces how much energy? 52,580 calories energy. Sufficient energy required to produce 3 ATP from 3 ADP, and the 3 inorganic phosphate is 21,900 energy required to produce 3 ATP from 3 ADP. The oxidation of lactic acid to pyruvic acid requires the following vitamin derivative as a hydrogen carrier. It is the NAD as a carrier. This was the question repeated in the KMU. ये पहले भी question आ चुका है. Two examples of substrate level phosphorylation in EMP Embden-Meruf pathway of the glucose metabolism are in reaction of. Best answer is 1,3-biphosphoglycerate and phosphoenol pyruvate. The following is an enzyme required for glycolysis. Pyruvate kinase is an enzyme for the glycolysis. The normal glucose tolerance curve reaches peak is how much time? 1 hour. Which of the following is the simplest carbohydrate? इनमें सबसे जो simplest carbohydrate, that is the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Physiological glycosuria is met within elementary glycosuria. Tissues form lactic acid from glucose. This phenomena is termed as anaerobic glycolysis. When tissue form lactic acid from glucose, it is known as the anaerobic glycolysis. Fluoride inhibits and arrests glycolysis. So, enolose. Fluorides inhibits inulose and arrest glycolysis. The four rate limiting enzymes of gluconeogenesis are four important rate limiting enzymes of gluconeogenesis are best answer is B. Pyruvate carboxylase, phosphoenol pyruvate, carboxykinase, fructose 1,6 diphosphatase, and glucose 6 phosphatase. For glycogenesis, glucose should be converted into UDP glucose. The blood sugar raising action of the hormones of suprarenal cortex is due to gluconeogenesis. Which of the following enzymes are not involved in galactose metabolism? Glucokinase is not involved in the galactose metabolism. Which of the following enzymes leads to a glycogen storage disease known as the Terroise disease? The phosphofructokinase. Which of the following metabolites negatively regulates pyruvate kinase? Alanine negatively regulates pyruvate kinase. The glycerol phosphate shuttle functions in aerobic glycolysis to transport NADH equivalents resulting from the glycolysis into mitochondria. Which of the following enzyme deficiency leads to hemolytic anemia? Pyruvate kinase. Which of the following glucose transporters are important in fructose transport in the intestine? Best answer is GLUT5. Which of the following is a tricarboxylic acid? TCA. Tricarboxylic acid. It is repeated question. पहले कई बार पूछा जा चुका है KMU एग्जाम में. So it is a citric acid. Which of the following enzymes play an important role in tumor metabolism? Pyruvate kinase M2. Which of the following biomolecule simply refers to as staff of life? Staff of life is the carbohydrates. Which of the following enzyme is defective in galactosemia, a fatal genetic disorder in infants? It is a galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. In muscles, the pyruvate is converted to lactate. Find the correct statement. During lactate formation, NADH is reconverted into NAD. One molecule of glucose gives how much molecules of carbon dioxide in one round of the hexose monophosphate pathway shunt, HMP shunt? So it is a one molecule only. Which of the following statement is known as the rate limiting step in glycolysis? It is a phosphofructokinase. Which of the following glycolytic enzyme is inhibited by an accumulation of long chain fatty acid in liver? It is a glucokinase. Specific test for ketohexosis is best answer is Selivanov's test. Which of the following hormones decreases blood glucose and increases the uptake of glucose in various tissues like skeletal muscles, adipose tissue? It is the insulin. Which of the following hormone is responsible for increasing gluconeogenesis in the liver during prolonged starvation? It is glucagon. One molecule of glucose gives how much molecules of carbon dioxide in EMTCA cycle? 6 molecule of carbon dioxide. The four-membered aldose sugar phosphate formed in HMP shunt pathway is erythrose. Cane sugar is injected into blood is unchanged, undergo no specific change. No specific change. Which of the following is simplest form of carbohydrates? Aldehyde and ketone groups are simplest forms of the carbohydrates. Which of the following monosaccharides is the majority found in the human body? Majority of the monosaccharide are the D type in the human body. Which of the following is the smallest carbohydrate? Triose. Glyceraldehyde is the smallest. Triose. Which of the following is a reducing sugar? All of the following are the reducing sugar: dihydroxyacetone phosphate, dihydroxyacetone, erythrose, and the glucose. All are the reducing sugars. What is tauranose? Best answer is reducing disaccharides of glucose and fructose. Reducing disaccharides of glucose and fructose are the tauranose. Which of the following is an example of epimers? Glucose and galactose are the example of epimers. Starch and glycogen are polymers of alpha-D-glucose. Which of the following enzyme produce a product used for the synthesis of ATP by substrate level? Enolase. Enolase. 2,3-biphosphoglycerate is an allosteric factor that decreases the oxygen affinity of hemoglobin. That's all about the part 3 of the carbohydrates metabolism MCQs. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the part 4 of the metabolism of carbohydrates. Thank you so much. Keep watching Biology Learning Zone.